Hey everybody, welcome to the property chat with me, K to the Jizo, and in this week's video we're going to analyze a property investment deal to see if it's going to make you money from day one. That's what we're looking at. As mentioned in my previous video, that when I bought properties, I was not buying for cash flow. I was just buying for the sake of, Charlie, I own a property. I'm the owner of the property with pride and all of that. And that didn't make me money, but it took a lot of money from me. So what I do with property investment, I analyze them. And this is how I go about it. So what we're going to do is we're going to look at one of the property on Property 24. They've advertised it as a investment property that makes you money. So you want to see if it's really going to make us money or not. So look at the property. We'll talk about things that needs to be fixed as usual, because you need to fix some things. We're going to look at how it looks like. We're going to go into description and read what they say over there. We'll talk about things that make sense and things that do not make sense. Then finally, we'll go into the details and break up the numbers. Not details, we go into the numbers, man. Not details. We're going into the numbers and break down the numbers and see if it makes sense. As you know, as always, but numbers do not lie. Numbers had the blue mark. If you're new, welcome to the property chat with me, K to the Jizo. If you've always been here, super excited to have you again and again and again. And thank you so much for liking, for commenting, for sharing. It really means a lot to me. Details on the screen. So this is the property, and a property is it was advertised, let's see the date first, because that's quite important. 28 May 2025. So it's been in the market for a few months. And the property is in Kingsway, Benoni. If you know Kingsway, holla, let us know. Okay, so looking at the picture. So it's 3 bachelor pads. They not looking as big. I don't know on the side how they look like. We're going to go on to other pictures and try to figure out what happens. But by the way of things, it looks like it's 3x4 or it's 4x4 bachelor pad. So 4x4, that's your, I'm going to use my calculator, man. That's your 16. So if it's 3x4, that's your 12. So slightly big enough. And if you do real for real application, that's kind of size they're looking at least 15-16 square meters. And there's a security, you can see they've put in butlers, which is quite good. There's electricity power over there. I'm not sure if it's a box or it's just a supply, and then the electricity meters are in each of the back rooms. That you will never figure out from just looking at this. You need to go into the property and check things out for yourself in details. That's picture 1. Picture 2, this is quite big, looks like a bachelor pad. Look from this side, it has even two it has 2 windows. So I guess that's your sitting room and that's your bed, I guess. And it looks like it's 2 of them there. That's why they say it's 2. And there's a gate secured. There's enough space in front for parking. Parking is quite important, as I mentioned, guys. It looks like this property is only for rentals. It's not like a house in the middle, then the back rooms at the back. It's looking quite exciting. That's a lot of potential. Toilet over there. Looks like an outside toilet. There's another toilet. This looks like inside toilet. There's a shower and there's a kitchen over there. I like this kind of kitchen setup because this metal one, it's very strong and it stays in there forever. It's not like the wood one. The wood one can be destroyed, or the water can destroy it, then it needs to be replaced and replaced, and that takes a whole lot of money from you. That's the inside. I'm not sure which one is it again. And there's doors painted the dark grayish color, which is easy to maintain compared to white. And when people are moving out, you don't do as much as when you work on the white color. Description: They say it's 5 bedrooms, so I guess it's 5 bachelor pads and 2 bathrooms. 5 to 2, that's not enough bathrooms, because if you're going to rent this place out to 5 people, them sharing just 2 bathrooms, it's not ideal. The hygiene, the taking turns of cleaning, it doesn't work for tenants. And I'm saying all of that from experience. It doesn't work. So you rather have bathroom for each one. So there's potential to develop it, to work on it. Okay, moving in, they say, I'm not going to read everything. They're saying it's an income generating property in Benoni. It has 5 rental back bedrooms. They didn't say backrooms, it's bedrooms. 5 rental backrooms, includes one in open plan kitchen. Okay, I guess that's what we saw. 3, and no, I skipped. Bedroom 2 includes a private toilet and shower. Wow. So means bedroom 2 has its own toilet and shower, like it's a more like a bachelor pad. And then all 4 tenants are sharing one toilet. Does not make sense. Not ideal. Not ideal at all. And means we need more toilet, more showers. Please convert all of them to bachelor pads. Then she says over here it's currently generating 7,900 per month. Let's do this and see how much one might be rented out per month. So 7,900 divided by 5, so that's about 1,580. But I guess some are bigger than, some are more pricey than the others. It says generate cash flow for you every month. And fully tenanted, she says over here it's fully tenanted, means there's people, but the pictures that we saw, we did not see any tenant in the pic, any furniture, any bed to show that there's people in there. It's just clean and clear. I don't know if these are all pictures or not. These are things that you, when you go and view the property, you check it out yourself. And that's a 250 square meter piece of land, stand, and then rate and taxes is 600. So let's look at the numbers, because numbers never lie, numbers always make sense. So our income, that's rental, is going to be 7,900. That's what we're gonna get. And we're also going to look at the expenses. Expenses, we need to pay bond. Bond is going to be 5,590. If you wonder where I got this number, you go back to property 24 and you look at the calculator at the bottom. It will say, we'll tell you all the details, and you can work it out and move around and see how much, what changes can be made in there. So monthly repayment 5,590. That's for 20 years loan term. Current rates 10.5. Okay, that's where I got it. And it's there for you to use. Makes life easier. Insurance, that's 200 that we're going to put away. Rate and taxes, we're going to then say it's 600, as she said. But I'm going to ask you guys, make sure that when they say rate and taxes is 600, don't just go with that. Ask for municipality statement. I was in the process of buying a house in Parktown, so my family and I can live there, because we are transitioning back home in South Africa from Ghana. And I asked the lady told me that the rate and taxes are 650, 700, and then when she sent the statement it was 1,400, so it doubled. So make sure that you ask for the statement so you can deal with the real numbers, not the numbers that are made up. So cash reserve, in case of emergency, we need to fix something, we're going to put away 500 per month. Vacancies, people might not be in the house at some point. So we're gonna need to put away 10% of the total, which is 7,900 income, and then we will try to manage it ourselves. And the total will be 7,000 that we're going to spend, will be 7,680 per month. Then we say 7,900 minus 7,680 is going to give you a cash flow. It's going to make you money, and that money is going to be 220 rands per month. You multiply that by 12, it's going to give you 2,640 per year. Now, my question for you is this the property that you could buy for investment based on the cash flow or not? Let me know in the comment section. And if you can buy it for investment, what changes will you do? Let us know in the comment section and let's learn from each other. If you enjoyed this video, you will definitely going to enjoy this one, and we will see you on the next one. Happy investing.